Symptom Media brings mental health education to life, with realistic DSM-aligned video case studies used by over 500 universities and healthcare institutions worldwide. Start your free trial at symptommedia.com.
But I just want you to know that sometimes in certain situations, our brain takes over. And in this situation, if you froze or if you didn't react to him, that's because your brain said that this was not the right time for you to fight and that you just need to sit still and let the danger pass. Because honestly, it very well could have turned out that had you tried to fight, the situation, your injuries could be much worse and you may not have even survived it. So I understand that you think that your military training should just kick in, but sometimes the brain says that's not what we need to do right now to survive this. So it's not your fault. You didn't forget anything. Honestly, it was your brain going into survival mode.
Explore over 1,000 video case studies, accredited continuing education courses, and activities designed for every type of learner. Start your free trial today at symptommedia.com.